Hey guys, as you can see, I shaved. What a look here. Anyway, so kind of some sad news. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd see kind of what I'm talking about here. But I just filed a report for a little incident that I had earlier. So I'm walking out to my car now, and as you can see, we got a little messed up. So someone took the liberty to remove the window for me. So anyway, it definitely sucks. I'm filed a police report. They're gonna get back to me. I have insurance to cover it, so it should be okay. But yeah, I mean, it really does suck. I'm gonna have to put the channel on hold for a little bit before I do anything else. Gonna get that done. Can't really drive it right now. I mean, I guess I could, just a window rolled down, but can't really leave anything in my car or really go anywhere because stuff's gonna get stolen. But it does give me a good opportunity to do this. And if you can see, this entire thing is cracked here. So it's gonna be, gives me a good opportunity here to actually pay my deductible, because in Winnipeg, you kind of set your insurance rate, and I have a $200 deductible, and they'll replace my window, no questions asked. So that the vandalism back will be free, but I'll pay $200, get a new windshield, and then yeah, just kind of wanted to give you guys a little update. It just sucks, but I got a bunch of parts waiting in my room. I'll show you guys those, and then yeah, we'll kind of yeah. I mean, I think I was hoping. I upgraded my GoPro actually, so I was hoping that I'd be able to kind of take videos this weekend or next weekend, but it's looking like it might take a little bit longer now with just kind of getting my car done. But yeah, this is everything. Finally got a carpet. Never had a carpet for the longest time. I got a new door because I messed one of them up. My wheels are here. Gonna put those in. Got a bunch of trim pieces. Oh, some seats. Some sneak peeks for you guys. I haven't showed you guys these at all. But yeah, I got some seats. I don't know if I showed you guys the trim actually. Got like new trim pieces because mine are all red, and what the fuck? Just kidding. But I also got this here, just a little mount for the AC because I don't have AC in my car, and I'd love to get some. And then I actually got spacers a couple days ago. Spacers to help with the wheels for when I wide body it. And then yeah, so my wheels are 0 offset, and then I'm gonna put 10-inch spacers or 10 mil, and then yeah, we're gonna push out to about -10. I think my kit called for -12, so pretty close. I mean, 2 millimeters, like can't really complain too much. And then I just got some black lug nuts. But yeah, I actually was supposed to get those new hubcaps I told you guys about, but yeah, I ended up actually never being able to get those because I guess they discontinued those. So instead they sent me the lug nuts, which actually goes perfect. It's gonna look nice. I thought about putting red on there, red lug nuts, but I think the black ones are gonna look nicer. Only thing is, one issue, I actually lost some of my some of the weights for when the wheels got balanced. Some of them fell off. A couple of them fell off. So a little unfortunate, but it's not that big a deal. I'll just get the one tire rebalanced again. Or I even know there's an outline of where it is. I might just ask for a couple weights, put them on myself. But yeah, the doors overall pretty good. And then yeah, I mean, I wanted to get started on it a little bit sooner, but I guess I'll have to wait a bit. Camera's gonna come in, and then who knows how long this gonna take to get the glass and windows repaired. But yeah, just want to give you guys a little update and just kind of tell you what's going on. So I'll see you guys in a bit.